Hey, what's up, simmers? Welcome to this new video on the Osprey. Again, yes, I know, but I love this plane, and it's both a plane and a helicopter. And this time it's going to be like a beginner's guide to start properly with the Osprey. So, first thing, we need to keybind the nacelles. So to do this, you go to Control Option and you select what you fly with. Got the hot S1 or controller or anything. You need to duplicate your profile and rename it, as I've done already, the Osprey. And you are going to look for co-flap 4. Just a second. Here you go. So, increase co-flap 4 D-pad up and decrease co-flap 4 D-pad down for me. That's for me the easiest. So increase co-flaps and decrease co-flap number 4. It's actually going to move the nacelles. And remember, you have to have the hydraulic pressure on green. So if you check the PFD, here you have the angle degree of the nacelles, currently 62, and I'm moving up and moving down. And as you can see on the main display in the center, red message is gone. So that's the first thing you want to do. Then, second thing you need to know about the Osprey is you cannot put more than 100%, more than 98% of engine power more than 60 seconds. If you forgot about this, this is what is going to happen. So 100% is blinking, 103 actually. It's blinking. Alright, engine are overstressed. And you have also a message here on the center screen. RPM too high, oil pressure too high. And yep, you crash. You overstretch the aircraft, causing critical damage. So remember, always stay under this limit of 60 seconds. But maybe you want to fly easy mode, so you go on the CDU and then select ACFT and you select the menu number 3. We are currently in the number 1 and everything that is white is active. So you go to menu 2 and menu 3, and here you have flight reality, and by default it's always going to be hard when you start. So you always have to come back and press easy, and you don't have to care anymore about overstressing the engine, about the flight model, the transition of the nacelles when you want to land or anything. It's going to be very smooth, and maybe it's the best way to start to enjoy the Osprey. Then, next stuff we can look into, it's going to be the fuel probe. So for this one, you go to the Stat menu where you manage the fuel. For instance, for the moment, nothing. But you can see you press here and it's going to extend the probe fuel. That's a pretty cool animation. I really hope one day we will have air-to-air refueling, but I think that's not for tomorrow on Flight Simulator. And if you press again, it's going to retract the probe. And now, the last operation we are going to look when you start flying the Osprey, and it's very cool. It's to go on the full wing stow mode, I think it's called. So first you need to stop the engines. Engine right, engine left. And to speed up the process, you engage the rotor brake. Alright. Blades are stopped. So you go to your main screen and you select System and then EFWS, and here you are going to access the full stow menu. So you press full stow initialization and it's asking you the rotor lock. So it's just here on the left, you press rotor lock and it's going to obviously lock the rotors, and then it's going to follow on its own now the flaps position, and flaps are now up. The blades are going to fold. Look at this whole animation of the full stow process is insane. It's so sick. So everything has to be horizontal, right? To be able to fold after. So lower nacelles and then fold wing. And look at this. And the engineers, people who made this aircraft, it's quite something. And it's actually even more impressive from inside the cockpit. Look at this. The shadow of the wing coming over the cockpit. Yeah, that's really sick, guys. And that's it for today, guys. That was all the main features, all the main tips to begin to fly the Osprey. And I hope you enjoyed it, as I am right now. Honestly, it's my favorite airplane at the moment. It's so amazing. And as Miltech said just yesterday, a lot of updates are coming for the aircraft. And yeah, you should check the video. I'll talk about all the updates that are coming. And you will see that's amazing. They are going to put even a mode where you can move the Osprey to put it, to park it properly on the carriers. Yeah, it's going to be sick. Alright, happy flying, see you soon, bye bye.